Right. Well, we're going to start talking about priorities. We're going to start with you, Greg, over at App Dynamics, and we want you to highlight, point out, what are your top two priorities over the next year?
Yeah, thanks again, Luke. So, obviously the main priority is always to ensure that we have successful missions with our agencies that we work with. But, when you start looking at that application space, and I talked about the observability side of things, we totally recognize that there's bigger challenges in the industry beside one specific tool to be able to fix things. So by opening our platform and being able to drive innovation from a automated fashion is the direction that we're moving, and that's one of our top priorities. Because if you think about it, as things become more and more complex, and agencies need to innovate, they need to be able to drive faster application adoption or faster features. Having that area of troubleshooting applications needs to be in automated fashion. It needs to have things happen quickly. So we've done things where we can start to integrate network metrics, application metrics, and then build automation on the auto correcting side, so that folks can move forward with innovation. And that's really, number one priority is to focus in that area. Number two is to ensure that we provide product sets that are going to be future proof. You saw last decade move heavily into the cloud. What's the next decade going to bring? We want to make sure that we're front and center in those new advances in technology, so that we can provide the right insights and analytics, so that the leaders on this call can make the right decisions with their technology stacks.
Yeah.